In this video, I will explain how to draw a regular octagon in a given circle. Now, let us assume the radius or sides of the octagon is 100 millimeter. Now, first you have to select the circle, commands, then select the center. Now, again, select the circle, select the center. So now you have to enter the radius of the circle. Then I will enter 100, then enter. So this is the 100 millimeter radius. Okay, it means diameter is 200 for this. Now again, you have to select the polygon. Command is polygon. So if you click here, there is a one option rectangular first. Then the select one you have to select second one, that is polygon. Then it is asking you to enter the number of sides. So for octagon, the number of sides are 8. Again, we have enter 8, then enter. Now specify the center of the polygon. So the center of the polygon, it should be same as the center of the circle. So it's showing here. So you have to select the center. Now there are two options, inscribed in a circle and circumscribed about the circle. So we are going to draw the octagon in a given circle. Okay, so it is inscribed, means within the circle. Then with the same center, you have to enter the radius of the circle. So what is the radius which you said 100 as the given? Okay, so 100. Then you can see the circle radius. Now you have to measure the dimension. Now take the radius. Then so it's showing that the radius is 100. Okay, and if you want to check the sides of each octagon, then you have to select in this way. Then it's showing the sides as 76.54. Okay, so these are the sides of octagon. Okay, so in this way you have to make a polygons. Thank you.